If you want to know the Google Photos backup alternatives, you won't be disappointed with the top 10 Google Photos alternatives shown below. 1. Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. Strictly speaking, Coolmuster Android Backup Manager is not an online cloud storage service, but we still regard it as the best Google Photos alternative for Android. Unlike Google Photos, it stores the Android files in the computer's local storage and restores the backups to your new Android device in one click. As it consumes no network during syncing, you can easily back up the photos and videos with this app even if there is no network connection or the network condition is poor. It also lets you back up and restore contacts, messages, call logs, documents, apps, music, and other files on most Android brands, like Samsung, Motorola, Huawei, HTC, Sony, Oppo, etc. Since it will not compress the files, the file format and data quality will remain the same after syncing. 2. Dropbox. Dropbox is a popular yet influential alternative to Google Photos. Better than Google Photos, it automatically uploads photos from your device to the cloud service and integrates photos from Facebook and features from Adobe Creative Cloud and Pixlr. However, Dropbox does not offer AI categorization and smart tagging, making the photo organization much trickier. 3. Flickr. Photographers who want to share their work online can use Flickr. This American image and video sharing platform lets you store up to 1,000 copies of photos and videos for free on an ad-supported basis. If you have more than 1,000 photos and videos to upload, you will have to pay $6.99 per month to upgrade to the unlimited storage plan with no ads. You can organize your photos and videos as public or private, which is better than Google Photos. 4. Microsoft OneDrive. If you search for a reliable, easy, and secure Google Photos alternative, you can consider Microsoft OneDrive. Developed by Microsoft, this comprehensive platform works for backing up photos, videos, documents, and other files. Plus, it works with Microsoft Word, Excel, OneNote, PowerPoint, and Outlook, and you can freely back up and view the Office documents. Users who have already been using Office 365 will pay nothing extra. 5. iCloud. If you are using an iPhone, the best Google Photos alternative for you may be iCloud. With an Apple ID, you can sync photos, videos, and other iOS data to the iCloud account and access them from iCloud.com anytime. Also, you can associate the iCloud storage with Apple One to freely access the content on Apple TV+, Apple Arcade, Apple Music, etc. 6. Amazon Photos. Amazon Photos is also among the apps like Google Photos. It provides 5 GB of photo and video storage for non-Prime users. If you are a Prime member, it gives you 5 GB of video storage and unlimited storage for photos for up to 5 family members. Besides photo and video storage, you can also conduct photo or video sending with someone via text messages, emails, or the supported third-party apps. 7. Adobe Creative Cloud Photography. If you use Adobe Creative Cloud Suite and are serious about photography, you can use Adobe Creative Cloud Photography. This app is a more advanced alternative to Google Photos. Deeply integrated with Lightroom and Photoshop, this cloud storage enables you to upload, edit, and encrypt your photos and videos on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android devices. According to Adobe, you can upload 20 GB of JPEG files in the Creative Cloud Files folder without any errors. 8. Immich. If you're looking for a privacy-focused, self-hosted Google Photos alternative, Immich is a standout choice. Designed for tech-savvy users, Immich allows you to store, organize, and view your media files on your own server or local environment. It supports automatic backup, live photo preview, and facial recognition features usually found in mainstream cloud platforms like Google Photos. What makes it unique is that all your data stays under your control, and there's no subscription fee since it's open source. However, setup requires Docker and some familiarity with self-hosting, so it may not be ideal for non-technical users. 9. Excire Foto. Excire Foto is a desktop-based photo management software that uses AI to analyze and organize your local image library. It is not a cloud solution, but it serves as an excellent offline replacement for Google Photos for photographers who prioritize privacy and detailed metadata tagging. With features like automatic keywording, face recognition, and intelligent search, Excire Foto makes large photo libraries easier to manage. Unlike cloud-based tools, it processes everything locally, no photo uploads are needed. However, it's only available on Windows and macOS, and there's a one-time purchase fee. 10. iDrive. Not initially designed for uploading videos and photos, iDrive is still a perfect alternative to Google Photos. Primarily, it offers every user 5 gigabytes of free storage to store fewer photos or videos. If you have piles of photos and videos, you can upgrade the storage plan, and it supports a maximum of 10 terabytes of storage annually. The auto camera feature allows you to automatically back up photos and videos from your device to cloud storage. You can access them on different devices via the facial recognition feature.